Conversation 1, greeting and introduction. Hello, how are you today?
Hi, I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm fine, thanks. What's your name?
My name is Anna. What's yours?
I'm John, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from the USA, and you?
I'm from Vietnam. Do you like it here?
Yes, I do, it's great. Tip, speak slowly and clearly when introducing your name. Add a question to keep the conversation going. Conversation 2, goodbye and see you later. Goodbye, it was nice talking to you.
Bye, I enjoyed it too. See you later.
Yes, sure, when can we meet again?
How about tomorrow?
Tomorrow is good, what time?
At PM, is that okay?
Yes, it's perfect, take care.
You too. See you tomorrow.
Bye-bye. Tip, use a cheerful tone when saying goodbye. Add a plan to practice friendly communication. Conversation 3, asking about family. Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother. What about you?
I have 2 sisters. Are you close to your brother?
Yes, we get along well. How about your sisters?
They're nice, but we argue sometimes. Where are your parents?
They're at home. And yours?
Mine are at work now. Do you live with your family?
Yes, I do. Do you?
Yes, I live with them too. It's fun. Tip, add related questions, for example, are you close to expand the topic. Conversation for asking about jobs. What do you do?
I'm a student. What about you?
I'm a teacher. Where do you study?
I study at a school nearby. Do you like teaching?
Yes, I love it. What do you study?
I study English and math. Are you busy every day?
Yes, I teach 5 days a week. Do you have homework?
Yes, a lot. Do you give homework too?
Sometimes not too much. Tip, use love instead of like to emphasize emotion. Conversation 5, asking about time. What time is it now?
It's 10 o'clock. Do you have a watch?
Yes, but it's broken. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at AM and you?
I wake up at 6 a.m. Do you go to bed early?
Yes, at PM. What about you?
I go to bed at 11 p.m. Are you busy today?
Yes, I have work later. See you.
Sometimes not too much. Tip, practice saying hours 1 to 12 with a .m and p.m. to get familiar with usage. Conversation 6, weather and plans. How's the weather today?
It's sunny and warm. Do you like it?
Yes, I do. Is it raining tomorrow?
No, it's sunny again. What do you do when it's sunny?
I go for a walk. What about you?
I stay home and read. Do you have plans today?
Yes, I'm meeting a friend, and you?
No, I'm free. Can I join you?
Sure, that's great. Tip, combine weather and plans to practice natural conversation. Conversation 7, days of the week. What day is it today?
It's Monday. Do you like Mondays?
No, they're busy. What about you?
I don't like them either. What's your favorite day?
I like Friday, and yours?
I like Sunday. Do you work on weekends?
No, I rest. Do you?
No, I relax too. What do you do on Sundays?
I watch movies. You? Tip, memorize the days of the week and add a reason when answering. Conversation 8, shopping for clothes. How much is this shirt?
It's $15. Do you like it?
Yes, it's nice. Can I try it on?
Sure, the fitting room is over there. What size are you?
I'm medium. Do you have it in blue?
Yes, here it is. Does it fit?
Yes, it's perfect. Can I have it?
Of course. Do you need a bag?
Yes, please, thank you. Tip: learn color and size vocabulary small, medium, large beforehand. Conversation 9: ordering food. Hello, can I see the menu?
Hi, here it is. What would you like?
I'd like a pizza, please. Do you have drinks?
Yes, we have water and juice. Which one?
I'll take juice. Is the pizza big?
Yes, it's enough for two. Anything else?
No, that's all. How long will it take?
About 15 minutes. Is that okay?
Yes, thank you. Tip: add please at the end of requests to be more polite. Conversation 10: paying and thanking. Can I have the bill, please?
Sure, here it is. Did you enjoy the food?
Yes, it was delicious. How much is it?
It's $20. Do you want to pay now?
Yes, here's the money. Do you take cards?
Yes, but cash is fine too. Thank you.
You're welcome. Can I have a receipt?
Of course, here you go. Come again.
I will. Bye. Tip: practice answering yes or no with an explanation. Conversation 11: asking for directions. Excuse me, where is the bus stop?
It's next to the park. Are you new here?
Yes, I am. Is it far?
No, it's just 5 minutes away. Do you have a map?
No, I don't. Can you show me?
Sure, go straight and turn left. See it?
Yes, I think so. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Do you need help with anything else?
No, that's all. Bye. Tip: use excuse me to politely start asking for directions. Conversation 12: booking a travel ticket. Hi, I want a ticket to Hanoi.
Hello, when do you want to go?
Tomorrow morning, is there a bus?
Yes, at how many tickets?
Just one. How much is it?
It's $30. Do you want a return ticket?
No, one way is fine. Can I pay now?
Yes, cash or card.
Cash, here you go. Thank you. Tip: replace Hanoi with other destinations to practice flexibility. Conversation 13: morning routine. What do you do in the morning?
I wake up at 7 a.m. What about you?
I wake up at 6. Do you brush your teeth first?
Yes, then I eat breakfast. What do you eat?
I eat bread and eggs. Do you drink coffee?
No, I drink tea. Do you go to work after that?
Yes, at 8 a.m. What about you?
Yes, very busy.
Cash, here you go. Thank you. Tip: list at least 2 to 3 activities to make your answer fuller. Conversation 14: TV hobbies. Do you watch TV?
Yes, I do. Do you?
Yes, I like it. What do you watch?
I watch movies. What about you?
I watch news. Do you watch every day?
No, just at night. When do you watch?
In the evening, is TV fun for you?
Yes, it's relaxing. Do you agree?
Yes, I do. Tip, add time at night in the evening for specificity. Conversation 15, playing sports. Do you play sports?
Yes, I play soccer. Do you?
Yes, I play basketball. Is soccer fun?
Yes, it's exciting. What about basketball?
It's great too. Do you play every week?
Yes, on weekends. When do you play?
On Saturdays. Do you have a team?
Yes, with my friends. Do you?
No, I play alone sometimes. Tip, substitute different sports to practice new vocabulary. Conversation 16, studying. Do you go to school?
Yes, I do. What about you?
I work now. What's your favorite subject?
I like English. Do you like it?
Yes, it's useful. Do you have a lot of homework?
Yes, every day. Did you have homework before?
Yes, when I was a student. Is school fun?
Sometimes. Do you miss school?
Yes, a little. Tip, use sometimes or every day to show frequency. Conversation 17, inviting someone out. Would you like to go shopping with me?
Yes, I'd love to. When?
How about tomorrow? Are you free?
Yes, I am. What time?
At 2 p.m., is that okay?
Yes, it's good. Where do we meet?
At the mall, do you know it?
Yes, I do. Should I bring anything?
Just money, see you. Tip, say I'd love to instead of yes to show enthusiasm. Conversation 18, asking permission and apologizing. Can I leave now?
Yes, you can. Are you okay?
Yes, but I'm late. I'm sorry.
It's okay. Why are you late?
My bus was slow. Do you forgive me?
Yes, don't worry. Will you be late tomorrow?
No, I'll come early. Can I go now?
Sure, take care.
Thank you, bye. Tip, add a reason after I'm sorry for a clear explanation.